The Southside is a classic gin cocktail that beautifully blends the herbal notes of gin with the fresh flavors of mint and citrus. It's refreshing and perfect for any occasion. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces gin. A high-quality London dry gin works great. 1 ounce simple syrup. You can easily make your own by dissolving sugar in an equal part of water. 1 ounce fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed for the best flavor. 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves, more for garnish if desired. Ice. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, muddler, martini or coupe glass. Here are the instructions. Add the fresh mint leaves to the shaker. Muddle the mint gently to release their oils, but avoid over-muddling, which can make the drink bitter. Add the gin, simple syrup, and fresh lime juice into the shaker. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini or coupe glass. Garnish with a sprig of mint if desired. The Southside is believed to have originated during Prohibition, named after the South Side of Chicago, which was infamous for its bootlegging operations. It's also a popular choice among gin enthusiasts as it can vary in flavor, depending on the type of gin used.